Hello friends, so I recently started to make money using ChatGPT, and as you can see here, I make at least $40 up to $100 every single day just using ChatGPT. And the good thing about this channel, I love to be transparent, so I'm going to show you all these transactions on how people are sending money just by doing a very simple thing using ChatGPT. And the good thing about this issue is that it's not going to take at least 30 minutes of your day. You can use 10 minutes and you can start making money using ChatGPT, and anyone can do this. If you have skills, or if you don't have any skills, you can go ahead and apply this method and you can start making money using ChatGPT. So the only thing that I want you to do right now is for you to listen to me careful and see how much I make, but also which method I use to start making money on ChatGPT. It's going to take a very short time. So this new company reached out to me and they asked if I could design a good logo for them, and I was really not sure if I could design a logo that they're going to like it, and I just decided to go ahead and use ChatGPT for logo designing because I'm not really good at designing logo and all that. And that's the reason I say that anyone can do this, anyone can make this amount of money, because you really don't have to use any knowledge that you have or any skills that you have. All you can use is ChatGPT that is going to design this good logo for you, and you can start making money. So I'm gonna tell you every step that you need to follow so that you can start making money using ChatGPT the same that I did. So after this company reached out to me, I went on ChatGPT and asked ChatGPT if it can design a good logo for me, and we had this conversation, and I just wanted this logo to be very clean and very simple but very classic. So we had this conversation with ChatGPT for like only 5 minutes, and as you can see here, this was the first image that ChatGPT generated for me, and I didn't like the image. So I told ChatGPT, to change a little bit. You can see here, I didn't want this moon on this logo, so I told ChatGPT it has to be changed. And as you can see down here, I added a little information about how I wanted this logo to be like, and you can see this is our second image, and ChatGPT generated for me a very nice image. So this company is called Kagem Care and Green, which is a very new company and it's coming in Tanzania. So this was our second image, and you can see it's a very perfect image. It's a very beautiful image. Only few minutes for all these images to be generated. So I designed this logo using ChatGPT using only 10 minutes, just by adding information, and ChatGPT do all the work. So even if you don't have this talent, even if you don't have these skills how to use this and this, you can just use ChatGPT and ChatGPT can generate amazing logo for you. So after here, I sent this logo to this woman and she sent me $40. So after that, she recommended other people to come to me. I started to design different logos to different companies. As you can see here, I designed too many logos for different people, and they are paying at least $40 up to $100. So it just depends on the company that you just going to design these logos for. Other companies are going to pay you well. Other companies are going to pay you at least $40 up to $50. I think if you just brand yourself in a very good way, people will start paying you good amount of money. So let's say that you're just going to get at least 10 customers who are going to pay you every single week for only $40. That means in a week you can be in a position to make more than $400 every single week just by designing logo using ChatGPT. So not a lot of people are willing to use their time to chat with ChatGPT and design logo for them. So they are okay to pay you money so that you can design logo for them and they pay you money. Alright, so right now I'm going to tell you how are you going to get this customer that are ready to pay you money just for you to design logos for them. You need to find small business. Alright, you need to go on Instagram and you can see all these business pages, and you can contact them, like if you want to design a good logo for them, and if they are ready for it, you can just go ahead and design a logo for them. Then you need to charge them at least $50 up to $100. It just depends on how big the business is. All you want to do is you need to go to this small business and you can ask to design a logo for them with a cheaper price. I'm pretty sure that you can get a lot of customers who are willing to pay you just after designing good logo, and you need to show samples of the logo that you just designed before. So you just have to make sure that you're really good to talk with ChatGPT so that it can design good and and classic logos. So this is the next step for you to get these customers. You need to optimize your Instagram profile. So the good way for you to get customers is through social media. So you need to make sure that you optimize your Instagram account. You have to make it very professional so that people can reach out to you on Instagram and ask for you to design them logos and all that. So you just have to make sure that you explain there on the bio there. You just have to write that you help small business to get professional logo using AI. But also you need to engage on small business Instagram pages and all that. So every time this small business they post anything about their business and all that, you need to like and comment every time, so that once you reach out to them, it will be so easy for them to accept you and ask you to design logos for them. So this also is very important. But also you need to send direct message. You just have to write this professional message to this small business. You can ask them if they are using these outdated logos. You can ask them, you can change the logo that they are using right now, and you can show the sample of the logos that you want to design for them, so that they can be very interested to work with you. But also you need to use your social media. Let's say that you have Instagram, you have TikTok, you have WhatsApp. You have to make sure that these platforms that you're using, you need to promote your business. And how are you going to promote your business? You need to show the work that you have done, but also you need to show all this business that you have to work with. You have to show these logos that you have just designed and all that. You just have to make sure that you are creating these reels and shorts and TikTok videos with this very trending music, so that people can see your work on how you design your logos and all that. So it will be so easy for people to automatically start reaching out to you and ask for you to design logos for them. And the only thing that you do is for you to take these orders and start designing logos using ChatGPT. I say this because I get money, I get paid from different people. Up to now, I've got more than 11 people who reached out to me just to design logos for them. And you need to promote your business on Instagram, on WhatsApp. People are going to watch your work and they'll be interested to work with you. So I encourage, if you really want to make at least the money, buy coffee and all that, you can just go ahead and start doing the work, and it's really paying off. So I think ChatGPT is going to help us all. ChatGPT is a very good platform. You just have to use it on making money. There are a lot of people that are just chatting with ChatGPT and ask for advice and all that, but you just don't know how you can start making money using ChatGPT. And this is the money that ChatGPT paid me so far by designing logos and all that. So I'm not getting paid by ChatGPT. Actually, I just get paid using ChatGPT to design logos to my customers, and this is a very good way for me to make money without even hurting my head. It's very easy. You just use your laptop, or you just use your mobile phone, and ChatGPT is going to do all the work. You don't have to work for anything. You just use ChatGPT. So you just have to be in a very good communication with ChatGPT, to add information about the logo that you want. And it always comes up with another idea that how do you want your logos to be like. So you can just have this conversation with ChatGPT to help your vision on this logo that you want to come to life. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.